In all fairness, you could have seen it coming. I do some really weird things. Okay, if you are new to this channel, this is my new haircut. If you are not new to my channel, this is my new haircut. I was bored of my hair. Particularly, I was bored of the way it lay. So, in the span of hopefully 3 days, I'm going to go through a complete hair change. Yesterday, I decided I wanted to cut my hair, and I did a lot. I cut off a lot of it. I got a short bob. Oh my god, for the first time in 5 years, my hair is actually completely healthy, which is ironic because today I'm going to bleach the living daylights out of it. Some of you might also be thinking, why are you going to bleach your whole head after just cutting all of the bleach to damaged ends? Why? Because I can. I want it to look fun. I want it to look crazy. I want it to look adventurous. So today we're going to be bleaching our hair. If some of you decide to leave some comments down below saying, oh my god, that was a really stupid idea, I don't care because it's what I do. I did cut off most of the light bits of my hair, which means that most of my hair is currently like a level 4, and I'm going to try to bleach it all today as well as dye it. Oh my god, this is a huge box. Hello. So I am the brand ambassador of Schwarzkopf Malta, which is actually a really big deal. I'm really super happy with it, especially because I love Schwarzkopf. I love their stuff. I know a lot of you guys love it as well because it is a worldwide, globally known brand. So today I'm gonna hopefully show you why you should try Schwarzkopf, because today I'm trying out the world famous BLONDME. This is Schwarzkopf's most, I think, renowned like bleach. It is an epic hair bleach. I myself have never used it, so this is going to be kind of like a first impression, kind of like a see it for the first time with me, for especially if you've never tried it before, but I've heard insanely amazing things about it. It does claim to lift up to 9 levels, which is epic because mostly what I'm looking for is kind of like 4 or 5 levels of lift, which means my hair would become like an 8 or a 9. I'm very lucky to have it with me at home, but this is a salon grade bleach. I'm showing this to you only so that you know what your hair would go through, but not really so that you do it yourself. I'd actually never recommend you bleach your hair yourself, by the way. With it, I have 2 of the BLONDME developers. They actually didn't have 20 volume, so they gave me a 2%, which is a 7 volume, and a 30 volume. I'm going to mix these 2 together to get kind of like an in-between sort of a thing, and we will add that to the bleach. This smells so nice. Bleaches are usually ridiculously like toxic smelling because they're bleaches. This smells like hotels. Oh my god, this is insane. I have my 2 developers over here and my BLONDME bleach. 2 separate bowls for the 2 separate mixtures, sectioning clips, gloves right over there. I also have a roll of foil. The foil is going to be there so that while the bleach is processing, we're going to kind of incubate our hair in it, and this is going to kind of actually get the bleach into our hair and to actually work. Let's go! Ooh. Bleach usually comes blue to counteract the yellowness. We have a little scoop over here. And I'm gonna do 2 full scoops of bleach. Now I'm going to kind of mix up 1 scoop of the 30 volume and 1 scoop of 7 volume. So this is my first bleaching mixture that has kind of like the power of a 20 volume developer. For my second mixture, I'm going to be using bleach straight with just 30 volume developer, because obviously while you're applying the bleach immediately starts to react on the hair. By the time you'd actually get to doing the front section, your back section is already halfway done processing, which means you need a quicker acting formula so that they both process equally. Once you have on your bleaching outfit, it's time to actually start the bleaching process. I now have a bunch of foil strips cut out in this sort of a shape. I think it's time to start. Okay, so it's been roughly 15 minutes since I finished off the whole bleaching process. I put the wig cap just to keep everything in place. Now I'm going to remove it because it's time to do our roots. Okay, so this is what 15 minutes got me. My roots at the back are ridiculously white. The rest is kind of a bit patchy still, and then over here it almost looks borderline green. Now I'm just going to actually quickly bleach my roots because I left my roots kind of as is, and we don't want that. So we're gonna bleach it. You cannot roast me simply because it's not the end result here. So I'm actually really excited for this color because I'm going to be using Schwarzkopf's Instagram Takeover. This is, I believe, a collaboration between two Instagram hairstylists. They have their significant colors. And today I'm going to be trying these two out in the Dusted Rouge collection. Subtle pinks, a bit metallic, a bit rosy, and I was just like so in love with it. I've been wanting to try out for a while, and you guys have been telling me to try it out because obviously, so I knew this was going to happen when I saw how my roots were. The lightest bit over here is my natural hair compared to the dyed bits. Obviously this lifted a lot quicker. Now in the formula I actually darkened it up a bit so that when I apply it here it's all going to be like even. Hopefully I'm going to have kind of like a gradient, darker to lighter rosy pink, hopefully. I did tell you not to judge me. Behold my fresh pink. I love pink. If you're new to my channel, I'm sure you picked up on the fact that I love pink. I love dyeing everything pink, wigs, my hair, everything, and today is no exception. This is how the color turned out post bleaching. I was actually kind of nervous with regards to some of the banding that was over there, and I knew that there were some awkward patches that I was really hoping would get covered up, but I did good. I did good because the color is so beautiful. What I love about this is that the haircut is such a mature haircut. It's such a girl boss, confident, you know, very mature kind of a haircut, but then the color is not. So I kind of really like the combination of the kind of playfulness but also kind of the bossiness. As I said, the color was a blend of the Igora Royal Takeover. I had both colors in here. I love, love, love the way they turned out. I have kind of like a more metallic, you know, concentrated color at the root, and then it fades into what I'm gonna call like a strawberry blushy color. I did add just a tinge of a darker red into the roots because I really was scared of the banding, but it actually blended pretty seamlessly. I'm going to list every single item that I used in today's video in the description box below. I'm really impressed with the BLONDME Bleach. It feels amazing, it looks amazing, it's got a brilliant shine to it. So I'm literally not complaining, and it lifted my hair to, you know, 4 or 5 levels, which is what I was aiming for. These are from Aldo, the shirt is from New Look, and I am going to go and enjoy myself. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.